The Wisdom of Enneagram workshop is a workshop that will combine the power of self-inquiry, this capacity to go at the root of our being and to really question what is this being, what is this life, what is this energy in me, what is this presence. Ultimately, just coming back to ourselves with fresh eyes and this willingness to really meet ourselves authentically. It seems quite easy to do that on the surface, but if you are on the path of self-inquiry and the spiritual path in general, since sometimes, you may have noticed that on our road, on our way, we find a lot of obstacles. We find actually a lot of patterns and subconscious mechanisms and behavior that we don't really like about ourselves. And then somehow we would like to get free of them. We would like to be that authentic and virtuous virtue of ourselves. And for some reason, it keeps coming back and coming back and coming back. That's where the Enneagram is a powerful tool to really help us, while combined with the power of self-inquiry and meditation and this authentic longing to meet oneself. Here we have a very intelligent and scientific tools, I would almost say, to really read and give a way of understanding in the deeper structures all the aspects of our personality, our way to relate in our relationship, the way we speak, the way we look at ourselves and life. Everything can be actually explained and understood through the lens of Enneagram. So when we bring these two worlds, the authentic questioning of what is this breath inside of me, what is this silence inside of me, we don't expect anything, we don't try to have an answer to that question. It's a question that really brings us simply into the depth of our being, but mixed with this okay, I see that this is coming back again and again and again. I know it's not me because I can actually notice it, but why is it there? And what is the wound that is beyond that? Do I want to act from a place of wound, or do I want to act from a place of love? It seems quite obvious that we all want to act from a place of love, but how to tap into that space of love? Bringing all these understandings and clarities through the filter of Enneagram, it's such a powerful tool to really authentically bridge the world of spirituality and personal development. So in this workshop, we're going to have fun. Of course, we're going to try to mix the depth with a sense of playfulness, because, of course, when we start to work on these subconscious patterns, on the wounds, or all the, let's say the negative aspect of ourselves, it can be sometimes painful. But when it's embraced from a deeper space, from the heart basically, when it's embraced from a place that knows that deep inside, nothing can really affect me. There is a purity in that deep silence inside ourselves. From there, we can actually meet first ourselves and then others with a certain sense of playfulness, almost like a game, Oh, I got this personality, I got this game, I got this karma, and you, what do you got? Oh, you got that one. Okay, let's see how we can play together. Let's see how we can unfold and reveal the best in each other. Because what is Enneagram? Enneagram is a science that is used since hundreds of years in different spiritual traditions. It has actually different roots. It's basically a system that uses 9 major types of, let's say, family of personalities to go deeply into what is the core mechanism that makes us act in this life. Each of us, we have one aspect that we really value in life. Some people is justice, some other is compassion, other is truth, other is strength. So many different way of showing up in life. The thing is, we not always show up from a very pure, authentic space. Sometimes we show up from a place of fear. And in this, Enneagram is really helping us to see, okay, what is my core fear? What is my fixation? What is that wound that makes that, for example, I never dare to to speak my truth in front of people that I love? I always stay in the background, or on the opposite. Why am I always hiding in pleasure and refusing my emotions? Like all these kind of questions. Of course, we need to enter properly into the workshop to really understand what is Enneagram. But what I can tell you is that it's a tool that even if you don't know anything about Enneagram, you can use it after this 3-day workshop. You will have, first you will have figured out your own Enneagram, which is quite helpful because, as I said, when you know your Enneagram, you somehow know a bit more about your shadow, a bit more about what really drives you in life, and you can compose with that, you can dance with that. The same way in a relationship with your partner, you can also, knowing his Enneagram, know it's like, oh, that's his core wound. Okay, that's when I push that button, he's going to react like crazy, or she's going to take it personally. So we know we have a guidance on how we work and how others work. So it really gives us a profound contemplation to open ourselves to compassion, because basically we will figure out that together by playing and investigating and questioning and meditating. All of this will bring us to a place of understanding in ourselves. And what we will figure out is simply that opening ourselves to the wisdom of Enneagram is opening ourselves to compassion. And what is the spirituality that doesn't lead to compassion? There is no spirituality. There is no real spirituality if there is no compassion. So wisdom of Enneagram will lead to compassion, to love oneself authentically, and to love others authentically. So this workshop is actually mainly about love. It's about authentic love, beyond all the shadows, all the mechanisms, and it's about finding our virtue, finding what is my real gift in life, what do I naturally want to offer to this world, what comes up when I take away all the fear and shame and judgment and all the layers that somehow, the clouds, I can say, what comes up when I take out the clouds, and the light of awareness can really make my heart blossom. And when you touch that place in you, I can tell you from experience that there is a deep freedom, and not only a deep release, but a willingness to express that in life, and a willingness to really honor what you received in this life and to really offer it for the benefit of all beings. So I'm really looking forward to meet you in person for this 3-day workshop. It's been a few years I'm working with this tool. I'm also a meditation and yoga teacher. I will bring all my experience since many years for you to discover your own truth, for you to discover your own peace, your own inner joy. We will go deep together, but with that sense of joy, exploration, and we will be supported by the amazing nature that is in this place of Longeval, this wonderful team of karma yogis and space holder that will be there to make this journey, this weekend, this long weekend, this 3-day workshop for you, an authentic moment of reconnection with yourself, celebration and love. See you soon in Longeval.